Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Rufus and how to create a bootable USB, one of the most useful tools for installing operating systems, troubleshooting computers, or running live environments. If you've ever wanted to make a bootable USB but didn't know where to start, this video is perfect for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. So, what is a bootable USB? Simply put, it's a USB drive that contains an operating system or software that your computer can start from, instead of using the hard drive. This is incredibly useful if you need to install Windows, Linux, or run diagnostic tools to fix problems on your computer. And Rufus makes this process quick and easy. Here's how it works. First, you download Rufus and plug in a USB drive. Then you select the ISO file of the operating system or software you want to make bootable. Rufus takes care of formatting the USB drive, making it bootable and copying all the necessary files. In just a few minutes, your USB drive is ready to use, even on computers that don't have CD/DVD drives. One of the best things about Rufus is its flexibility. It supports both BIOS and UEFI boot modes, works with multiple operating systems, and lets you choose partition schemes like MBR or GPT. You can also select file systems like FAT32 or NTFS, depending on what your computer supports. For beginners, the default settings work perfectly, while advanced users can tweak options for specific needs. There are also some tips and best practices to keep in mind. Always back up your USB drive before using Rufus, because the process will erase everything on it. Double check that you've selected the correct drive and ISO file to avoid mistakes. And if you're new to bootable media, stick to the default settings. Rufus does a great job automatically. In short, creating a bootable USB with Rufus is simple, fast, and reliable. It's perfect for installing or repairing operating systems, running live environments, or troubleshooting computers, making it an essential tool for beginners and tech-savvy users alike. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.